Ayurvedic face wash powder is very effective not just in cleansing the face but also acts as a mild exfoliant. To make an Ayurvedic face wash powder, we should take great care in ensuring right ingredients are taken. They are processed finely and the final output is delicate, soft and does not irritate the skin in any way. So today we focus on oily skin. For oily skin, the cleanser's work is to remove excess oiliness, minimize pores, control acne, and to fade dark spots. To achieve this, I have taken two powerful ingredients, sandalwood powder and besan, that is gram flour. Take a container that you can safely keep in your bathroom. Fill the jar off with sandalwood powder. Get sandalwood powder that is original and pure for the skin to get benefited from it. Fill the rest of the jar with gram flour. Make sure the flour is finely milled. So the ratio is half of the jar is sandalwood powder and half of the jar is besan. Give it a good mix. Add in some rose petals. Put a spoon into it and keep it in your bathroom. Now let me tell you how to use it. Wet your face with water. Take a teeny spoon of the face wash powder. You will not need more than this. Add adequate quantity of water to make it a paste. It has to be in a paste consistency. Apply this and massage for 30 seconds, like you would do for your usual cleanser. Once done, rinse with water. In the first usage, you will find your skin has turned soft, feels fresh and no more oiliness. With continuous usage, you will be able to see your acne not coming back, stubborn dark spots fade and brightening of the skin and no more pores and oils. You can use this face wash powder whenever you wash your face. This face wash powder is specifically made to suit oily skin type. If you want to know the face wash powder that suits all skin types, I have made a green gram face wash powder video previously on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. This face wash powder is 100% natural, no chemicals, no synthetic dyes, no colors, no preservatives, just the natural good stuffs. Once you try using this face wash powder, I am sure you're gonna love it. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Deepti signing off. Bye bye, take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.